Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and set up Telegram wallet. So basically you have to go to the search icon and then type wallet right here. Click the very first link, or let's just say very first feature that you can see. So here is this wallet bot. If you are first or if you haven't installed this one, then you will see the start right here. All you have to do is to tap that, and then what you're going to do is to tap that start, and then you will see this wallet in Telegram made for crypto, and then you will see here open wallet. So what you're going to do is you have to click open wallet right here. So unfortunately, I have opened this one. So what I'm showing right now is the procedure and method. Now click open wallet right here. And then once you tap this open wallet, and then this one will show you or will pop up. You will see here your full wallet page, the total balance, and other features right here. So what you're going to do in order for you to have a complete setup of your Telegram wallet, you have to click first this gear icon. And as you can see, we're going to make some changes or settings first with the Showtime Space Beta. So what you're going to do is you need to toggle this one on or turn this one on, and then you need to go back. Then you should see this Ton Space Beta right here. What you're going to do is to tap this one. You have to click this and then make some changes with your Ton Space Beta. So again, tap this one, and then it will take you directly to this page right here. So this is the Ton Space Beta. Click this Start Exploring Ton right here. So once you tap this Start Exploring Time, then it will take you again to another page. And then here, what you're going to do next is to basically set an email backup. So you have to click this backup email. And what you're going to do is to input your working email right here. Make sure that this one or this email is still functioning. Once you have entered your email address, which of course I covered for privacy purposes, once you tap this one, you will see this continue button right here. What you're going to do is to simply click continue. You could also have this backup manually, and all you have to do is to take a picture or have a copy for this recovery phrase right here. You need to remember this one, but to make it easier, just add your recovery email and then proceed. So after this, you need to enter the code that this wallet sent to your email address. So all you have to do is to enter the code right here, and then after that, you will be notified that you have set up your backup email address. Okay, so as you can see here, wallet was successfully backup. The second method here is again go back to your wallet and then go to your settings and privacy. And then this time, what you're going to do next is again tap this gear icon. Okay. And then after you have activated your Ton Space Beta, the next thing to do here is you have to locate this passcode. So you have to click this gear icon again and then look for passcode. Here, you have to protect your wallet with passcode. You need to enable passcode right here and then enter a passcode. And then once you have successfully added a passcode to your Telegram wallet, the last thing to do is to click this identification level. And then here you need to upgrade your level from basic. You just have to click unlock higher level, submit the requirement needed, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.